Hello, this is Taylor of Hydromaster, bringing you a video on how to rebuild a GP chemical diaphragm pump. First and foremost, you start with a 10-inch crescent wrench. You come to the pump manifold. You'd remove the line coming from the solution brine tank, as well as the line coming from the high pressure side of the chemical injection system. You remove this counterclockwise. To inspect the chemical diaphragm pump, we prefer a vise. Once again, with a simple crescent wrench, you can go ahead and you can undo the bulkhead of the chemical pump. As you remove it, first thing you'll see on the damaged one will be a chemical diaphragm, which internally will be blown out, which in result will lead to no chemical flow or a numerous other amount of problems that you may be encountering with your chemical system. Secondly, you go ahead and you'd remove the inlet and the outlet side of the check valves. You can tell that by on the pump, there is a flow meter on there that will tell you the incoming and the outcoming by the arrow. It is very important because that will determine the position of the check valves, which you will see soon. As you remove the check valve, a pick is recommended. You shall go ahead and pull out, and there will usually be debris lodged inside of the pump. Same as here, as you can tell on the inlet side. So upon disassembly of chemical pump, inspection and thorough cleaning, I shall explain to you the reassembly of the pump. As you can see, the pump has been cleaned. I've inspected the seals on the inlet as well as on the outlet side of the pump. One thing to take notice of when you're rebuilding the pump is on the inlet side of the pump, you will have the check valve female side facing towards the outside, as in the outlet side of the chemical pump, you will have the check valve female facing towards the inside. Therefore, you're creating a flow that goes in one port, out into the pump, into another port, out into the chemical injection system. The pump as well has an arrow on it that will show you flow direction to ensure proper check valve placement. Upon installing the check valves and valve caps on the chemical pump, also assure that on the inlet side, this spacer ring is placed into the inside of the bulkhead as shown. Then you place the check valve inside and you bolt on the cap. The outlet side does not require a spacer. After chemical pump is assembled, always be sure to apply Teflon to the threads of the inlet manifold on the chemical pump. Then assemble pump onto manifold. Once again, this has been Teo bringing you a video on how to rebuild a chemical diaphragm pump. I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much.